In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple character animation in Moho. First, open Moho and start a new project. You'll see a fresh timeline and workspace ready to go. If you're following along with an existing design, that's great. If not, a simple character with separate parts will work perfectly. Next, import or draw your character. If you're importing artwork, make sure the head, arms, legs, and body are on their own layers so they can move independently. If you're drawing inside Moho, create separate layers as you sketch each part. Keeping things organized now makes rigging painless later. Now put the character parts into a bone layer. Create a new bone layer, then drag your head, arms, legs, and body layers inside it so they become children of that bone layer. This tells Moho that these layers will be controlled by a skeleton. Add bones with the Add Bone tool to build a skeleton. Start near the torso for a stable root, then add bones for the spine, head, each upper arm and forearm, thighs and lower legs, and feet. Think of it like a simple stick figure. Keep bones aligned with the artwork so rotations look natural. Bind each part of the character to the right bone. Use the binding tools to connect layers or points to their matching bones. If a limb twists the wrong way, it usually means it's bound to the wrong bone or multiple bones. Rebind until each part follows the correct controller. Move the timeline playhead to a frame where you want your first pose. This creates a spot for a keyframe. A small offset from frame 0 works well for animation planning. Pose the character with the Manipulate Bones tool. Click and drag the bones to rotate them into a clear, readable pose. Keep an eye on overlaps and silhouettes so the character remains appealing. Add more poses at different frames. Create a basic motion, for example, a relaxed stance, then a raised arm, then a friendly wave. Moho automatically interpolates between those keyframes, giving you smooth motion. Press play to see the animation. Watch for pops or sliding, and tweak poses or timing until it feels right. If something looks off, adjust keyframes by dragging them along the timeline or refine a pose until the arcs feel smooth and natural. Scrubbing back and forth is a quick way to catch issues before you render. And that's the whole process from setup to export. When you're happy, export. Choose your preferred format and resolution, then render the animation so you can share or edit it elsewhere.